Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Look like so cute color. Purple color, yellow green color, green color, orange color, blue color, pink color, forest green color, yellow color. Like it. Let's draw and learn shapes. L shape, L shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-point shape. Eight-point shape. Cloud. It's a cloud. Heptagon. Heptagon. Oval. Oval. Right triangle. Right triangle. Pastel blue color. It's a pastel blue color. Chestnut brown color. Chestnut brown color, cool grey color, it's a cool grey color, carmine color, carmine color, cobalt blue color, cobalt blue color, orange color, orange color. Now learn shapes. L shape, 8-point shape, cloud, heptagon, oval, right triangle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.